So good morning, everybody. Good to be back. So I just quickly want to give my thoughts on what Bitcoin is doing. Recent. I've had a lot of people asking me what's the direction of Bitcoin. So I just want to do this short video. I mean, this year is something that personally I don't think you've seen something like this in a long while. What I'm seeing in Bitcoin, as you can see on the graph on the market, like I always say, follow the trend and let the market lead you, right? So technically, today, I'll be talking about the technical aspect of Bitcoin and also be looking at the fundamentals, what is actually driving Bitcoin. Personally, before now, like a couple of weeks ago, my goal was as soon as Bitcoin gets to almost the high that it has done, the all-time high, that I'm going to take profit and come out. So, and that was exactly what I did until I started looking at the market and I see that it seems this market still wants to continue this trend. If you look at the chart, I scroll back to the back, you see a pattern in the past couple of weeks that Bitcoin has been doing. Anytime it bottoms, you see support here. This is support. This was around. This was in. This was November 26th. When it bottoms around this November 26th of this year, 2020. You can see that it's actually, you know, trend range around this support area, and then it breaks out. There's a breakout from this resistance from where I put my cursor. You see, there's a resistance there around 17,361. Then it broke out and then went all the way. Then it went all the way to 17,7. Then ranges for some couple of hours. I'm actually on the 1 hour chart right now, and then I'm also going to go to the other hours. And then you can see that it also, broke out from here again and continue to trend, you know, to the high. The highest it has done this year is 19,000 $888. That's the highest it has done ever. The highest it has done before was 19 before now in 2018 was around that 19,750 thereabout around this area. So we broke down and it came down. Now what I want to say is that a couple of days ago, that was um on December 1st, if I'm not mistaken, or I think around that November. So we saw a dip. So, and I want to guess people like me, like I said earlier, my goal was to take profit when it gets to around this all-time area. Yeah, I guess a lot of people also have that mindset. So they taking profits, makes the market deep. The price came down, and then it forms a support around this area, 17,977. Now, if you look at um this moving average that I put around there, for some time I've been trading with this moving average to confirm my support and my resistance. Now, but if you look at this right now, you see that as soon as it is this moving average, it's it forms a support around there. Okay, there's a support around there that has formed that was here before. Please take note that was here before. There was a support around there around that 17,009. So it's formed another support there, and then it forms an armor. As you can see, there's an armor here, indicating that this down trend is about to go back up, right? So and then it went back up and they came down to this axis and then it keeps going. Now, if you look at the way it's moving, I'm trying to get hold on. Okay, let me continue. If you look at the way it's moving, you will notice that it has been forming higher low since around this area that it came to this support. There's an higher low, right? This low is higher than this one. That's what you call higher low. It's lower. This one is sorry. This low is higher than this low. So this is a higher low. There's another higher low here, and then there's another one here. So for me, what I think Bitcoin is doing right now is that we can see a breakup to the upside anytime soon. Let's go to the daily chart so I can show you. Now that low that I pointed out is on the daily chart. That was on the 1 hour chart, like I said. You can see it around there. It's around that 17,000. No, it's this one. Around this area, 17,000 thereabout, around this area. And then, it has from there, it keeps forming an higher low. Notice this is another low. This low is lower, is higher than that one. And then anytime you in a market where you see a market that is consistently forming an higher low, is showing that there's bound to be a breakout to the upside. Okay. So what I'm doing right now, I'm really trying to play safe. So my Bitcoin, I'm watching it, it's a very keen eye. I believe as soon as it breaks this high, this $19,000, 19,288 high, and probably hits $20,000, and it breaks it, we should see it move very fast. And that's what Bitcoin has been doing the last couple of years. Anytime it breaks the previous all-time high, it moves faster. I mean, when it was around in 2016, when Bitcoin hit $1,100 thereabout, the all-time high around that period was around that $150. So immediately it broke it, it started going up. And it did over a lot of percent. The percentage increase was mad. Also in 2016, the previous all-time high was around that 2013. So 2016, the year that was the year of the alpha. When it broke that $1,000 all-time high, it went all the way to 19,007 around 2018. So that move, accumulated into about 1.5 years more. So I'm believing that if it continues with that trend and then it breaks this all-time high, this which has already broken, and I believe it's going back to test it, we should see Bitcoin, moving way higher than this. So a lot is happening around there. Let me talk about Ethereum before I talk about what is happening around the currency. So let's talk about Ethereum. I want to quickly check what Ethereum is doing so that you guys can see what's up with Ethereum too. So this is Ethereum. If you are in my group, you've been you see me shouting about people should buy Ethereum, buy Ethereum, buy Ethereum for so long. Oh, sorry. Let me. I'm on chart. I'm actually on the wrong chart. I want to check Ethereum, USDT, my Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum USDT. So I'm on the 1 hour chart. Let me go to the daily. On the 1 hour chart, you can see that it's almost the same pattern. It's almost the same pattern. It's forming support around this moving averages. You can see that is also forming a higher low. After this low is you can see that it's forming a higher low, and you see that it's going to form another support around there, around 586. It's also around there. So Ethereum for me still has a very long way to go because that's not even near the all-time high of 2016, 2018 when it did $1,400. And I've been, if you're in my paid group, my WhatsApp paid group, notice that I've been talking about I've been talking about buying. I've told people to buy Ethereum since when it was around that $180, $190, last year and early this year. So, and a lot of people that did that, have been enjoying the ride. So for me, I've been holding, Ethereum. I've been buying Ethereum since around that last year too, when it crashes, when it goes to the around that 170, 180. And I have some, I've been keeping them. So and it's still going up. So I believe Ethereum is also going to do very well. So if you look at the all-time low, so this area, you can see that also moving to this around this all-time high, almost the same pattern like Bitcoin. So I believe you should see a breakout from here to very soon, probably before the end of this year, probably to next year. Let's go to the daily chart so I could see what is happening around the daily chart. The same thing, you can see some of the same pattern. So I think next year is going to be a very good year for the cryptocurrency because we are seeing a lot of news that's coming out. And that's what I believe is also driving the price, fundamentals, everything, good news coming out about cryptocurrency. For example, if you check this news, Visa partners with Ethereum digital dollar startup that raised $271 million. I mean, this is huge. This year alone, we have seen a lot of institutions coming to the currency space. We have seen PayPal. We've seen MicroStrategy. We've seen apart from we see Jack Dorsey's Cash App, and they've been in profit in millions running to billions of dollars. So a lot of institutional company, big companies are rushing to take a part. They don't want to be like I used to tell they don't want to be a latecomer. So and it's good for us, if you've been in this space for a while. I mean, these are guys that are going to drive this market. They're going to drive it very well. Visa partners with Ethereum digital dollar startup that raised $271 million. That's huge. And if you know what Visa is not a small company. Visa credit card giant Visa today announced it is connecting its global payments net of 60 million merchants. That's huge. That's huge to the US dollar coin developed by Circle Internet Financial on the Ethereum blockchain. Digital currency is now valued at $2.9 billion. We're talking about the USDC, which is owned by Coinbase, and I mean, this is huge. This is a huge. I believe a lot of these news are, what is culminating in driving the price of Bitcoin as we see today. Also, Facebook backed Libra Association rebrand as DM. So Facebook is branding as DM. Like I said, a lot of all these giant institutions and big companies like Facebook, like PayPal, like Visa, they don't want to lose out of the pie, because the earlier you jump on board, the better for you for cryptocurrency. Like I've been telling people. So Facebook backed Libra Association rebrand as DM. So if you remember, Libra couldn't take off a couple of years ago because of Senate. So I believe Facebook is branding. The Libra Association, a consortium created by Facebook to support its Libra cryptocurrency efforts, announced this morning that it has a new name, the DM Association, and made some key hires ahead of its launch. So they're also planning to launch. Also, Spotify, one of the biggest music streaming company in the world, also wants a part of the cake. Nobody wants to lose out. All those streaming giants, Spotify is looking into crypto payments. Nobody wants to look at. Nobody wants to lose out. So this year is a good year. This year into next year is going to be a very good year for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So, like I always say, don't waste time. Don't waste time. This is the best time to get started. Make sure you share this video. You like, share, comments in the link below. And the link below, I'm going to be dropping. If you want to join our cryptocurrency class, I'll drop it. I have a free video on our website that you can watch for free. And if you're interested to learn more, you can also do that. By the time you're done watching the video, just follow the link on the website. Thank you very much.